And I'm back again, with another video. So yesterday I left you guys with the promise that I'd go and watch UWC up against the First Touch Ladies. And yes, I did, and I said that I'd also watch the derby, which was the Kaizer Chiefs up against the Orlando Pirates, and I did. So we got to see UWC thrashing the First Touch Ladies by 7-1 to back the 3 points from home, and we got to see a stellar comeback from the Orlando Pirates against the Kaizer Chiefs, where they won that game by 3-2. So it was a very beautiful match there. But then moving on from that to today's DDC results, we got to see Cape Town Spurs beating Orlando Pirates by 2-1. We got to see Cape Town City thrashing Polokwane City, the Rise and Shine, by 6-1, and we also got to see Stellenbosch FC thrashing Sekhukhune United by 4-1. It didn't end there. We saw Kaizer Chiefs beating Morocco Solos by 4-1, and then Mamelodi Sundowns closed it off with their own victory against the Richards Bay of 1-1. So those were the results for today's DDC. Make sure that you keep your eyes glued to the screen so you don't miss any of the action that football from South Africa serves you with. So yeah guys, coming from you, Emi Hlepelewa, Bulele Kakulu, for watching my video. Make sure that you stick around for the next video, and Bulele Kakulu, thank you.